Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to link your Discord to your FiveM. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to link your Discord to your FiveM, you will typically be setting up a connection between your Discord server and your FiveM server. So often for the purposes like whitelisting, synchronization, or showing user activity, this is done. So to link your Discord to your FiveM server, what you can do is basically install a Discord API resource like a script from GitHub. Now simply go to a Discord developer portal and create a Discord bot, and this will be a method to enable server members intent and message content intent. Like this will be an important character to role check your server's member. So now you will be inviting the particular bot to your Discord server and now configure the script. Now simply start the resource and you are all done by linking your Discord to your FiveM. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative video. Thank you for watching.